Hello everyone, I'm Hidayah. My group is presenting the topic counting techniques. My group has just explained to you one of the techniques, which is multiplication principle. Now, I'm going to explain another counting technique, which is tree diagram. So what is tree diagram? It allows multiplication rule and addition rule to be demonstrated clearly. Enumerate all possible outcomes of a sequence of experiments where each experiment can occur in a finite number of ways. Allows the total number of possibilities of a predetermined selection to be shown clearly and systematically. Now, let me show you some examples that need us to use the tree diagram. The first example is taken from our tutorial questions. Example 1. There are 3 trails leading to Camp A from your starting position. There are 3 trails from Camp A to Camp B. How many different routes are there from the starting position to Camp B? As you can see, this is a tree diagram of the first example. From the starting position, we have 3 trails: Trail 1, Trail 2, and Trail 3. All the 3 trails are leading to Camp A. As you can see, there are another 3 trails from each starting trails to Camp B. So, question asked: how many different routes are there from the starting position to Camp B? Number of different routes from starting position to Camp B is 3 times 3 equals to 9. Next example. A family has 3 children. How many possible outcomes indicate the sex of the children? M indicates male, while F indicates female. Let's assume that the first child is a male. So the possibility of the second child can be a male or a female. And the possibility of the third child when the second child is a male or a female. There goes the same as when the second child is a female. The possibility of the third child can be a male or female. And if the first child is a female, the possibility of the second child can be a male or female. And so on. If the second child is a male, the possibility of the third child can be a male or female, and so on. So questions ask, how many possible outcomes indicate the sex of the children? The solution is 2 times 2 times 2 equals to 8. Last question. Example 3. You are at a carnival. One of the carnival games asks you to pick a door and then pick a curtain behind the door. There are 3 doors and 4 curtains behind each door. How many choices are possible for the player? As you can see at the left corner of the screen of the tree diagram, you can see the door. Door 1, door 2, and door 3. While on the right side of the tree diagram is the other curtains. So in each door, we know that there are 4 curtains behind it. So door 1, behind door 1 we have 4 curtains. So I name them curtain A, curtain B, curtain C, and curtain D. And so on to door 2. Behind door 2 we have 4 curtains, and there are curtain A, curtain B, and curtain C, and curtain D. So questions ask, how many choices are possible for the player? Number of choices possible for the player equals to 4 times 3 equals to 12. That's all for my part on tree diagram. Thank you.